Hello, my name is John Nagoski, and I'm a native speaker of English from Wisconsin in the USA. I would like to introduce to you my English reading channel with questions and answers. Modern technology will totally replace traditional newspapers and magazines. Some people say that modern technology will totally replace traditional newspapers and magazines. To what extent do you agree or disagree? There should be 4 paragraphs in your response: an introduction, the reasons why reading traditional newspapers is still loved, the advantages of online newspapers, a conclusion with your opinion. Technology is flourishing by leaps and bounds and providing us new avenues while keeping ourselves updated with the latest news and current affairs. Therefore, a fair amount of people believe a conventional way of newspapers is over. I do not agree with this thinking because a newspaper is the easiest and most portable way to obtain news. There are multiple reasons why the traditional ways of getting news are still popular. First of all, reading the newspaper has become the habit of many people. Everyone, whether affluent or middle class, loves to read the newspaper and enjoys a cup of tea or a cup of coffee in the morning. Newspapers are the most portable, cost-effective, and easiest way to learn about global activities. It can be carried from one place to another in a bag and available at an economical price. A newspaper is handy, and with the physical motion of flipping pages, one can enjoy the experience. Additionally, electricity or other appliances are not required. We also do not deny the advantages of technology. It brings a radical approach to reading news. For example, videos provide a complete and clear view for learning. Additionally, we can download, save, and forward information to our friends or relatives. To conclude, the lives of people are drastically affected by advanced versions of technology. In my opinion, technology currently does not pose a threat to the existence of traditional newspapers and magazines.